Hi everyone, this is my Module 9 review over assistive technology. The role of assistive technology in the classroom is obviously to help out those in need, um, whether it be a severe learning disability or a minor one, getting the uh, right tools to make that kid successful in class is really the role of assistive technology. My past experiences with assistive technology is not a lot. I am someone with a learning disability. I am dyslexic. I am proud to be dyslexic, I would say, I guess. I did not get a lot of resources though from my high school. My high school was one of those ones with a low budget for that. When you've seen assistive technologies, it was more towards kids with more physical and more mental disabilities at my school. The ones that were often seen or used were like wheelchairs, canes, hearing aids, stuff in that realm to help kids be most successful. The three of the six applications, the existing communication, positioning, mobility, physical education, and environmental interaction. I think those are all really important aspects of trying to help a kid, especially because you need them all. If um, if you have an existing condition, obviously you want to get it helped and find which ways are the best for you. Communication, seeing if if a certain assistive technology is helping you or not. Um, Positioning and mobility were, I think, really different or hard for me. Mobility would obviously be if a kid was physically unable to, so like a wheelchair, physically unable to move or something like using a wheelchair or something like that. Physical education, I think, obviously because I'm a physical education major now, um, I think it's very important for every kid to get physical education, no matter who it is. Getting fitness is really good. So, one thing that I've seen in the past, and a lot of places have them, are the ramps and stuff that are in pools that help kids in and out of pools. I think that is a really good form of assistive technology for physical education aspect because it's a form of technology that helps kids be successful in physical education classes. Um, for uh, some of the stuff that I've wanted to bring up, or the devices that I've thought about, were hearing aids and Braille. I didn't see those in the reading at all. I think those are two forms of assistive technology that aren't really talked aren't really talked about, or maybe aren't because people need them. Like if you have a blind person, obviously they need to they need Braille. So I would put that under that category. Another thing that I found was a website called Ginger. It helps it's a website that helps kids like me with dyslexia improve grammar, and it's a website where you can go and get um, just help on papers and stuff for whatever reason. And I think that is it. Thank you.